Hello and welcome. My name is Ryan Race. Have you ever wondered what it would be like to fly down the road at 200 miles an hour? Or have you ever wondered what it would be like to go from 0 to 60 in a matter of seconds? Well, if this is a dream of yours, then Lamborghini is the way to go. Today I will introduce 3 models of Lamborghini and explain what one gets out of exactly each one. Through researching the Lamborghini website directly, along with a few other websites, I believe I can steer you in the right direction. The Lamborghini Huracan, Aventador, and Special Edition models are 3 models that one simply cannot go wrong with when searching for not just a car, but a world-class supercar. The first model is the Huracan, and specifically the LP6104 Spider. According to Lamborghini.com, this car features an aluminum carbon fiber frame and all-wheel drive. Its top speed is 201 miles an hour with a 0 to 62 of 3.4 seconds and a 0 to 124 in 10.2 seconds. The next car is the LP6104. According to Lamborghini.com, this car also has an aluminum carbon fiber frame with all-wheel drive. Its top speed is over 202 miles an hour with a 0 to 62 of 3.2 and 0 to 124 of 9.9. Both of these cars will cost you about $240,000 according to carandriver.com. And the third car is the LP622 Super Turismo. According to topspeed.com, this car tops out at about 205 miles an hour with a 0 to 60 in 3 seconds and costs about $450,000. This car has rear-wheel drive, according to Lamborghini.com. Now, if the Huracan models aren't quite enough for you, then I suggest you look at the Aventador models. The first car is the LP754 Super Veloce Roadster. This car comes in carbon fiber with front and rear aluminum frames and a carbon fiber spoiler. It tops out at over 217 miles an hour with a 0 to 62 in 2.9 seconds and a 0 to 124 in 8.8 seconds. The next car, the LP754 Super Veloce, is also carbon fiber with front and rear aluminum frame, a carbon fiber spoiler, and tops out at over 217 miles an hour. This car can go 0 to 62 miles an hour in 2.8 seconds and 0 to 124 miles an hour in 8.6 seconds. The LP704 is the next car. This car also has a carbon fiber with front and rear aluminum frame, carbon fiber spoiler with the top speed of 217 miles an hour, and it can go 0 to 62 in 2.9 seconds. And finally, the LP704 Roadster. This car features a carbon fiber with front and rear aluminum frame, a carbon fiber spoiler, and tops out at 217 miles an hour also. It can go 0 to 62 in 3 seconds. Now, the average cost of any of these Aventador models will be about $450,000 according to TrueCar.com. Now, if you're still feeling like the Aventadors aren't doing it for you, then I suggest you look at Lamborghini's Special Edition models. The first model is the Aventador LP704 Pirelli Edition. This car features a carbon fiber with front and rear aluminum frame also, and carbon fiber spoiler. It goes 0 to 60 in 2.9 seconds and tops out at 217 miles an hour. And finally, we have the Lamborghini Veneno Roadster. This is my personal favorite. Only 9 of these were made in 2014, and for a reason. This car has a complete carbon fiber body, tops out at 221 miles an hour, and goes 0 to 62 in 2.9 seconds, making it the fastest of them all. However, this car will cost you only a cool $4.5 million, according to Edmunds.com. Today I have introduced you to all 3 of Lamborghini's models and shown you exactly what each one has to offer. If this hasn't motivated you to work hard and someday own one of these cars, I don't know what would. After all, life's too short for boring cars.